are given. They've told you something, but what have they really told you?
That angle 2 and angle 3 add up to equal
Angle 2
180.
plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees.
Okay,
Addition of
now, and this
supplementary.
sometimes tends to be a problem. What's your reason?
Angle addition postulate.
No definition
No
of supplementary angle.
Dang it.
Okay, now let's talk about why it's not angle addition. We didn't look at the diagram to put that together, did we?
No.
And if you look at the diagram, does it appear that 2 and 3 are 180?
No,
No.
The diagram didn't tell us that. What did tell us that?
the given.
Given.
The given. It told us they were supplementary, and as a result of that, we said, well, they have to equal 180. Okay. What are we trying to prove?
One is
Yeah,
congruent to 3.
1 is congruent to 3, and we have only shown that 2 and 3 added together equals
180.
180.
1 and 4 equal 180. I think. Maybe. No, 1 and 2
All right,
equal
we
180.
don't even have 1
1 and 2.
in our proof yet, do we?
No.
Angle.
So go to your diagram because your given is used up. There's nothing else it can do for us. Go to your diagram and let's I know that when I look at it, 1 and 2 are linear pairs and 3 and 4 are linear pairs, right?
Yes.
Well, sometimes too much information is just too much. Go to your diagram and let's talk about angle 1 because we need to bring it into our proof. What do you know about angle 1?
It's a linear pair with angles
Supplementary.
So 1 and 2
equal 180.
is 180 by,
Angle addition. And 3 and 4 are 180.
and they are, but okay.
And then we'll use
Can you put that in
transitive and then
single?
3 and 4 are 180, but we can get by without doing that. Sometimes lack of alternatives makes things clearer. So let's not put 3 and 4 in there because I think we're okay right here, don't you?
Yes.
Now, I expect all of you to be able to go forward with this proof just from what we've done right now. Now, I want you to look carefully at 2 and 3.
they equal, so we can use transitive.
This is that, you're the 1,000th customer kind of thing. In other words, I wish that for the first few times we did proofs, every time we got this, that the lights would flash, a siren would go off, or something that said to you, hey, this is a big deal. Do you see that? They're both equal to 180. Well, how can that be? Because if they equal 180, they have to equal
Each
Each
other.
other.
each other.
Is that substitution?
And that is substitution or
Transitive.
transitive.
And then we can
I
say-
probably see it as more transitive because I probably see it as, well, if that equals 180 and that equals 180, then they're equal to each other.
Good.
But it could easily be substitution because all you'd have to do is put in 2 plus 3 for 180.
Yeah.
Do we need to use reflexive next to say that measure
Oh,
angle 2
please
is
don't.
equal? Am I
All
right?
right.
Am I right?
Yes.
I didn't even put reflexive.
Hey, that's okay.
I'm not going
She's
back
seen
and
it.
put
We're all good.
I don't know what's, I'm not kidding, that's making me do that. Where was I? 5?
Yeah.
Okay, yes, you have to do 2 is equal to 2. And pretend that you see all that stuff that was up there. You still got it on your paper, don't you?
Yes.
Why do you have to put, that's the thing. Sometimes she makes us put reflexive and other times she doesn't.
We
So-
may use
You have to
reflexive to
subtract,
subtract.
When you're subtracting a quantity or adding a quantity, you gotta say that, first of all,
You gotta
that it's the same thing. So, then we subtract, and 1 is equal to 3 by subtraction.
And then 1 is congruent to 3 by definition.
Very good.
I always forget to put reflexive.
And I'm hoping that, and this is where